Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about two very important English verbs, the verb to be and the verb to do. We're going to see some examples and we're going to compare them. When do you use them? When do you not use them? Come along, let's find out. I've already made a video on the verb to be, so let's have a little recap about the verb to be. It's not an action verb, it's a linking verb. It links the subject to description, condition, or location. And it is in the form of present tense, is am are, past tense, was were. I am British, she is a teacher, we are happy, they are hungry. They were tired yesterday, they were happy. The verb to do can be used as a main verb, do, make, or an auxiliary verb, helping verb, used in questions, negatives, emphatic statements in present simple and past simple. As an example, I do my homework, she did laundry, they did their chores last night. As a question, do you like noodles? Yes, I do. Does he ride a bike? Negatives. I do not eat meat. Remember, we can join together. I don't eat meat. She does not know. Join together, contraction. She doesn't know. Past. Did you come yesterday? He didn't call. Emphasis. I do want to travel. She did finish on time. Key differences. For the verb to be, it describes existence, identity, condition, or location. In present simple is am are. Past simple was were. The verb to do expresses actions or helps make questions and negatives. Present form, do does. Past form, did. So for the verb to be, describing states, I am happy, they are students. For the verb to do, asking questions, negative, for emphasis or performing an action. She does yoga. Do you like it? We use to be when we want to describe or talk about identity. We use to do when we want to talk about action, form questions, negatives in simple tenses. Examples in context. To be, description. This class is interesting. He was late to class. To do, action, main verb. I do my English practice every day. She does cooking in the evenings. To do, auxiliary. Do you like this channel? Yes, I do. Like, comment, subscribe. I do want some subscribers. Please subscribe, follow me. He doesn't play tennis. Do you watch videos? Yes, I do. For emphasis, do support. I do believe you. She did tell me earlier. Quick practice challenge. That's quite a lot of information to take in a short amount of time. So I'm going to put 4 statements or questions on the screen now. And I'm going to give you 60 seconds to choose the correct answer. Okay, are we finished? Let's look at the answers. Number 1. Are you a student? She does not or doesn't work on Sundays. We were happy yesterday. What does she do after school? So how was that? Did you get them all? I hope you did. I think you did. Okay guys, that is the end of this video today. A short video, and I hope now you have a better understanding of the verb to do versus the verb to be. Remember, the verb to be describes. The verb to do performs or helps with questions, negatives, and emphasis. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like more practice or some more examples. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that sort of stuff. Follow me for more videos. I'll put a link down below to the verb to be video, or if you click this box here, you can go straight to that video. See you next time, guys. Thanks for watching to the end. I'll see you later.